Hello friends, welcome to Pega Learn. Today we will be learning about the how to create PDFs and attach them to the cases for cases, and also how to create PDF with header and footer and details. Okay, someone asked me to show like how to include a header and footer in the PDF. First of all, I have created one sample claim approval flow. Let me save and run. Create. So the user is filling the claim details here like this. So once all these details are filled, once it is submitted, then this form has to be downloaded, or this form is converted into PDF and it should be attached to the case, and even that attachment should be sending as an email to the user as well. Okay, so this kind of requirement is very common. So we will see like how to create PDF along with the header and footer information. First of all, I'm coming here. So after claim submit, I'm going to create one more process here. I'll keep this for um, claim form, send claim form email, something like that. Okay, and save. Now I'll be opening this, and I don't need assignment shape here. So I will purely use this one for creating PDF. So when we go to the automations, we have create PDF, okay, automation, which we can use and create the PDF. Okay, so let me open and fill the details here. Here we can either give the section or eForm. Okay, eForm is nothing but like it's like a PDF, editable PDF with the logos, company logos, footer information, and in the text in the middle there will be a fillable forms which using the eForm template. Okay, we can pass the information from our case to the tree form, and that will be converted to PDF and attached to the case. We will see this eForm later. For now, we are using the section. In section claim, claim details, filter name. For PDF name, I'm giving like claim details dot PDF. Okay. And we can give the category, attachment category as file or something. Landscape or portrait is the PDF orientation. Submit, save. Now come here and refresh because we edited this flow outside. So refresh. Now create the case. So I clicked here, new claim approval, and I'm giving some claim amount and submit. Now if you see, there is a claim details PDF is created and attached to this case. Let me open it. If you see, this PDF is generated with the section, whatever section that we have created here. Using that section, the PDF is generated. Now, our aim is to create PDF along with the header and footer. That means header and footer. How can we do that? So first of all, let me open this activity. This activity either doing using eForm. 1 to 6 steps are for the 7 steps are for eForm, and 8 to 17 steps are for, like 15 steps are for the section. So now using section, these steps will be executed, and in these steps, if you see, HTML pz HTML to PDF, which will this one, yeah, HTML to PDF. This is the step. which creates the PDF from the stream. So I'm going to call this activity and pass the header and footer information as a parameters. Okay, manually. Let me show you the HTML PDF. If you see here, apply data transform PDF settings. In the settings, we have this PDF header HTML template, PY PDF footer HTML template. We need to pass our HTML templates into these two parameters. Okay, so now let me come back here. I'll create a new utility and create the activity. Give activity name like create PDF for claim form. Create on the same class. First step will be property set to set the header and footer templates. Second step will be to call the px create PDF activity. So px create PDF. Property set. Okay, call px create PDF. Let me copy this one. Here. It's not taking. Okay, let me delete. Sometimes you get like that, but see, we are using the call method here. We are giving the px create PDF activity and click outside. Next one. Now it came. Earlier also I gave the CM thing, but it didn't come. Now it came, so we have to give. Sometimes copy paste should work. Now we need to pass these parameters. Okay, section name. Let me take the parameter names. Section name and PDF name and PDF attachment category also we have to pass. Copy. I'm giving attachment category as file. PDF name as claim form.pdf. We know the section name, right? What is the section name? Let me come here. Fill claim details is the section name. Let me open flow action. Yeah, fill claim details. This is the section name. Giving the section name here. This. And along with that, we need to pass the two parameters, which are PDF, param.pdf header HTML template and param.py PDF footer HTML. For now, I'll pass it like header. Some text here I'm passing, and here I'm passing the parameter page, entire parameter page where I'm passing here to this activity. Save it, and now come to okay. The name of it create PDF or claim form, and now sit here from here to Save it. Okay, so earlier we used the out of the box automation to create the PDF. Now we are using the same activity, but we are passing a little differently parameters we are passing. Now let me create the PDF. We'll see how it is generating. Okay. So PDF is generated, claim form PDF, and the details which I entered here they came. If you see header and footer, they came like a text. But normally we are asked to include logos. For suppose sample logos I created like this is like this kind of logos we are asked to include in the header and footer. For suppose this is the footer logo. Okay, these are samples. So how can we include those footers here? That is the real challenge. I'll see. I'll tell you. The way is first we create the binary files for those two, and we create two sections, one for header, one for footer. We include those images as a binary files into our sections, and we pass the sections to the we convert the see either we have to pass the html text like html code. We have to pass the html code like header, right? So instead of passing the data like in this way, we have to either pass the html or we can convert the section into the stream and then we can pass it. I'll show you how we can do that. Now let me first step is go to technical binary file, and in binary file create binary label header maybe extension we can give like a jpg. Yeah. Create and upload header, upload, save. See, we got the healthcare claim form image inside our system. Now let me save as this as a footer as well. Okay, upload image, footer, upload, save. So footer image also uploaded. Now we have two files. This is header file, this is footer image. Okay, these two images we have. Now the next step is we need to create the two sections. First suppose claim, fill claim section, fill claim details. Okay, this is our section. I'm going to create two sections like so. I'm creating on in the same class. Create healthcare header something I'm giving healthcare header. Create. Now in this section I have to include the image. So how can I include? Here in the data display in the image I selected image, and in the image I'm going to convert it into image, and my image I give the when I give header we got lot. Yeah, this is the one ours is this. Okay, submit and save it. We got the header section with this image. I'm going to create for footer as well like health care footer something I'm giving, and same thing in data display. We select image, and the image we change it to image, and here I click on footer find. This is the footer that we gave this thank you. Click OK, and click submit. Save it. That's it. We have two sections now. And next part is this section. If you give the section name, it just create with the healthcare header as a text only, not this image. So what we need to do is this entire section we have to convert it into a stream. We will see how to do that. So I'm opening this activity. Okay, here how to convert our section into a property set stream. Give the property set stream, it will convert into a single one property. So I'm giving the property name. PyPDF header HTML template is the property name, and stream name is our header, healthcare header, and that stream class is, what is this? This is a section, right? If it is a section, we have to give rule HTML section, and below HTML section, and here, okay, save it. It's fine. Sometimes it won't come. Yeah, but it's okay. Healthcare header is the stream name, section name. The section class is rule HTML section, and this section will be converted like into a stream, and it will be stored in this parameter. Okay, we have to copy and insert below and paste the same step. Now we need to forward the py-pdf footer HTML. We need to give the footer here. Done. Earlier we were passing simple text. Healthcare forward here. What is it is saying? Failed to find the role HTML section. Did we not save it? Yeah, we saved it. Oh, heath care. We haven't given. So I am copy paste. I'm copying paste here. Save it. See. So we got it. Sections are converted into streams and included in the py these parameters. Now let's test it. Okay. Claim amount. Something enter details. Yep, entered. Click submit. Yep, PDF is generated. Let me open the PDF. See, this PDF is generated with healthcare claim form, and these are all the fields, and this is the thank you is the footer. And when we come to second page, same header and footer came. So this is how we can we can put images, we can put whatever the information that we want to put here in this section, that will be passed to the PDF. And the final. So once we generate this PDF, if we want to send this in a mail, how can we do that? How can we send this in a mail? We have the simply we have send email automation. Okay, so we can use the send email. All we need to do is just simply configure this one. Send email. Email we can use. Okay, email and subject. claim details, details something, and this is the correspondence. Either we can give correspondence or custom. If we give custom and compose, it will create the correspondence only. So I'll create a correspondence. Emails are email body, something I am giving like that, and open it. Create correspondence type. We have to give email. Create now. Hello user. We are not capturing user information. Your claim starting here. We can include the properties, or we can include the other rules also. What rules we can include? We can include paragraphs, sections, other corresponding fragments we can include. For now, I am including the dot dates. I can include the properties. So start it. Claim starting and charging on. Let's find the attached filled claim form. Thanks. Health care admin team, something like that, or something. I'm creating some template like this. Even when we can give template better, we can write it. Okay, now this is done. Now come to the here. Template is done. Now we need to include the attachment, right? So I'm going to select the checkbox of include attachments. If I do the all case attachments, all category attachments will be included inside. If I want to do specifically, for suppose now I saved them all my PDFs to file category, so I'm including file. Okay, submit and save it. Now run case again. Okay, fifth, eighth amount, something like that. If you see here, we have claim form generated, and also we have claim form details. One correspondence means email was sent. So let me open the email. See, this is the email. So it is saying that recipient is missing. That is because of invalid address. I know I gave some 10 test address. This is how. So when I click on this claim form in PDF, it is downloaded. If you see, yeah, this attachment is downloaded. So okay, that is all, friends. I'd like to tell, like, for suppose if you want to send specific attachments, create attachment, create PDFs, send them like attachments. I would suggest you to go create your own category instead of using the out of the box given categories. For suppose what all categories we have from out of the box: correspondence, file, note, scan document, screenshot, URL. For but we can create a new categories as well. You know, right? How to create? For suppose claim forms, something I want to create like claim forms. Create. So it will be created attachment category. Okay. And privilege, when I'm giving all access, there will be no restriction to this category. Now I gave the claim forms, submit. Whenever I create that claim form, what happens is, when we go to here, claim approval, and the process case type, PY default, When we open this case type rule for our case type, when we go to attachment categories, we can create from here as well. For suppose we want to create category as report something, report forms. Okay, when we give it like this, we get one property also get created, which will give the page. This is a page list property that can be used to at runtime to access the list of attachments in this category in this case. Okay, so now I saved it. When I come here and when I do the drop down, you can see these two claim forms and the report form categories. These are the work class out of the box given. These two are we created now. Okay, so I can select claim forms, submit. So attachments will be created in the claim forms category, and in the email also we have to select a specific category, which is what is that claim forms category, and submit. Save and run. Now get the same thing. Okay, see, the attachment didn't come. Why? Claim form is generated, but claim form is generated as a file only, not not our claim form, because we did not change the category here. We are using this activity, right, to generate this. Here we have to change from file to the new one which we are using, claim forms. So when we change it from file to claim forms, save it, now create it, and when we see it here in the email, we will see it. We are able to see it. This is all, friends. Keep learning. Thank you.